Hello, my name is Nitin from Midwest College of Engineering. This is my technical seminar presentation on multipurpose robots. These are the contents about to explain. A robot is a machine which is programmable by a computer that carries out a complex series of actions automatically. Robots can be programmed externally with the help of computer or internally with the help of microcontroller. As robots have become more advanced and sophisticated, experts might govern robots' behavior. There are also concerns about technology which might allow some armed robots to be controlled mainly by other robots. The construction of robots depends on the task assigned. It can be in the human form, but most of the robots will be constructed depending on the task assigned. The branch of technology that deals with the design, construction, operation, and applications is called robotics. These are the major units of multipurpose robots. PC interfacing unit that deals with the connections of the multipurpose robots. Microcontroller unit in which the programming will be done. Power supply unit to supply required power. Sensor unit or detector unit, it is specifically designed to sense the condition of the surrounding environment. These are the major units of multipurpose robots, and those will be shown in the general block diagram. This is the general block diagram of the multipurpose robots. As we can see that all the sensors or detectors are connected to microcontroller in which the programming will be done. As there are connections using PC interfacing. As we can see that required power supply is using the power supply unit, and those all are connected to microcontroller. PC interfacing unit, it is the connection within the robots, inside the robots. The interface is shared boundary across which two or more separate components of a computer system exchange information. The connection is done using RS-232 cable or MAX232 IC or cable, and most probably these cables are used to transmit the data serially to the computer. There are many interfaces for certain sets, certain assigned tasks. The MAX232 IC are used. Microcontroller unit. It is a small part in the multipurpose robots as an integrated circuit chip. A microcontroller contains one or more CPUs along with a programmable memory input or output peripherals. It deals with the programming part of the multipurpose robots. Provides multiplexing to incoming signals. Microcontrollers are used in automatically controlled products and devices. Considering a vehicle, it moves in a certain directions, and for that directions incoming analog signals are converted to digital signals, and it provides path for the vehicle. Power supply unit. It converts AC to low voltage regulated DC power supply for internal components of the multipurpose robots. This unit deals with the required power to be supplied. Power supply units has the major units called step down transformer, rectifier diodes, filter called low pass filter or high pass filters, and voltage regulators, example Zener diode. Sensors. By definition, a sensor is a device, module, machine, or a subsystem whose purpose is to detect events or changes in its environment. Sensors used in multipurpose robots are basically in general multipurpose robots, that is metal detector, obstacle detector, gas detector, or temperature detector. Metal detector. Metal detector is an instrument that detects the presence of metal nearby. Used to detect metals such as bombs, it is used in detection of conducting materials like nickel, iron, cobalt, and their alloys, and informs the type of metal detected. These kind of detectors are mainly used in military advantages. Obstacle detector. Detection of obstacles while the vehicle is moving. The ultrasonic sensors are used to detect the obstacles. Ultrasonic sensor transmits ultrasonic waves from its sensor and again receives ultrasonic waves reflected from the object. The obstacles can be detected within the 10 feet surrounding. Gas detector. In many places, it is necessary to detect burnt gases like carbon monoxide or gases like methane, butane, hydrogen, which together with air form a mixture that can explode. The sensor that can detect a wide range of gases, making it an excellent low-cost sensor for a variety of applications. These are mainly used in large-scale industries where the heavy gas are evaporated. Temperature detector. A temperature detector is an electronic device that measures the temperature of its environment and converts it to electronic data. It is used to detect the temperature at particular range. Sensor used here is LM35 as it draws only 60 microamps from its supply. It has very low self-heating, less than 0.1 degrees Celsius in still air. Temperature can be measured more accurately. So this is about the detectors and sensors. This is a Sophia, a human robot. Sophia is a social humanoid robot developed by Hong Kong-based company Hanson Robotics. Sophia was activated on February 14, 2016 and made her first public appearance at South by Southwest Farewell in mid-March 2016 in Austin, Texas, United States. She is able to display more than 60 facial expressions. Sophia has been discovered by media around the globe and has participated in many high-profile interviews. In October 2017, Sophia became a Saudi Arabian citizen, the first robot to receive citizenship of any country. In 2017, Sophia was named as United Nations Development Programme's first innovations champion, as this is first non-human to be given any United States nation. A robot modeled after ancient Egyptian coin nervet known as human-like appearance and behavior compared to previous robot variants. According to manufacturer Davidson Hand, Sophia uses artificial intelligence, visual data processing, facial recognition, etc. Advantages of multipurpose robots are: robots can work faster than humans and humans are secured by these technologies. As work will be more, production will be more. It saves time and manpower as the product quality will be high. So these are the advantages of the multipurpose robots. Drawbacks. It is the more expensive because microcontroller and sensors are embedded in it. Difficult to maintain because its structure and capabilities. There will be hidden cost of maintenance. So this is about the multipurpose robots. Thank you.